Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am going to show you how to DM on Instagram. It is super easy to direct message people. So let's get started right now. Open up the Instagram app over here, and then you want to search for a specific user that you want to send a direct message to. For that, tap this magnifying glass icon at the very bottom, and then tap on this search bar up top, and search for someone that you'd like to send a direct message to. For the purpose of this video, I am going to select Emily John's profile. So when you are on their profile, you will see an option to message them. So go ahead and tap on this message button, and it will open up a private chat between you and the person that you selected. So now you can type in a direct message to them. I am simply going to say hello, and then press send, and that will be a direct message. So you can also send voice messages by tapping and holding this microphone icon, and it will immediately send that voice clip to the person that you are sending messages to. And you can also send photos and videos that you have in your gallery. You can tap on this camera icon at the bottom left, and you can take a picture and send it to them. You can also tap on this sticker icon at the bottom right, and you can send any one of these stickers as a direct message. And that's how you can send DMs on Instagram. So you can also voice and video call them by pressing on these icons at the top right. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to this channel for more helpful content like this. Thanks so much for watching, and have a